My name is Bridget. I'm a born and raised Singaporean here all my life. I work in tech and I'm also a proud mother of a husky and two cats. We live a very average, quiet life, but that's all going to change now because I'm expecting another one to join the family. And I think of myself as somebody who just loves the fact that I'm alive. I wanted to learn how to make music and put music together. I've always played with different instruments growing up, but experienced some shame around learning how to play instruments correctly. And when I found out that Rupak was having a course that could teach us how to produce a track together and potentially play it live as well, I realized that I wanted somebody to guide me through it, and that's why I embarked on this journey. I stopped expecting to do everything right based on my own expectations. I learned to make peace with the things that I create because they are created by me. And I think I'm a lot gentler on myself now as a person, and also looking forward to being more gentle with the craft that I create. I recommend it to your grandmother, to your mother, to your uncle, to your brother, people who can play instruments, people who can play instruments, you know. We live a very fast-paced life in Singapore, and I think it's something that you can't really escape. But this experience gave me a safe place to kind of dip out and check back in with myself. You know, I think everybody has a creative avenue or a little fire within ourselves, and on this course I feel like I completely like invigorated it. So yes, 100%.